Hi guys and welcome. Thanks for taking the time out to check out this demo video for Carvly. We've been working on Carvly with the intention of making a one-stop shop that enriches people like yourself. All the marketers, bloggers, designers, photographers, digital content creators, you all come up against this brick wall when it comes to social media marketing. Finally, we have a digital marketing automation tool that has everything you need built in. A visual editor, a video editor, and a place for sharing, creating, and capturing leads from all over the web. When it comes to creation, other than making your quick and small videos, it also helps you in creating a huge range of social posts, which are perfect in size, whether you're working with ebooks, business proposals, presentations, resumes, contracts, ads, emails, landing pages, it doesn't matter. Carvly has every template that you're looking for. Okay, so let's get started. Here is the beautiful login screen, and this takes us to the following dashboard. As you can see, we've got all the navigation on the left slider, and it shows the tab. So when I take my mouse to the Start Carving tab, this is where you can start the creation of any of your documents or videos, but we're going to come back to this a little later. The CarvBot is my absolute favorite because it allows me to generate organic leads from my social media through an automated system, and this creates content on the basis of keywords that I enter. Timeline gives me an overview of what's going on all your social networks. It shows you the past and current posts in a timeline format, and also displays scheduled ones and the ones that showed errors. Now that you've made documents with Carvly and published them, you want to be able to see where all the leads have been captured. So you go to the Leads tab on the left. All your leads are kept safe in this tab as they interact with the autoresponders, and it shows you what their status is. So over here on the Team tab is where you can assign your sub-user, assign your task, and monitor. You know how social media networks are always link tracking. Well, in Carvly we have a solution for that, and we've got you covered with the Cloak URL. One of the most important features that we have for you is real-time sentiment and emotion-based analytics. This is considered real insight because you get the emotional response of your audience, whether it's positive or negative. So moving across to the right of the screen, you have user settings, which are basically to link your social accounts when you begin, and you can come back here to manage them later if you need to. There's also a feedback tab, which would make us very happy if you would use it. Please let us know how you feel about Carvly. Okay, so now in the middle of the screen, we have displayed the documents which have already been created in various ranges. In this instance, we have design, videos, landing pages, and the ads builder. You can always preview your documents like an ebook, or a presentation, or as a video, it's up to you. Okay, now we're going to take you through the creating of one document, the life cycle of an entire journey across Carvly. You can start with any of them given the options from designs, ebooks, presentations, or videos, whatever you prefer. So when you talk about online marketing today, video is the way to go. The most clicked content is video, and we're going to use that as an example to start with. We're going to use Carvly's video editor to create your video content and post it or schedule it the way you want. To keep the video intact, I will create a design for you and explain the publishing and monitoring part at the same time so you can follow. So when we click on design, it opens up a vast range of predefined sizes for various documents. You can choose any, select the template, and let's get started. Or to start from the beginning, you can choose a custom size. Let's take a look at 520 by 800 pixels, which is basically an ebook cover size, and here we are in the content builder. Templates gives you the range of the done-for-you templates, which can be easily edited. On the left, we have images which have an inventory of 1 million plus royalty-free high-definition images for you to use. Carvly has these built in for you. When you click on the Elements tab, you can choose from text, shapes or lines, and icons. So for example, if you're looking to make a quick post, you can simply search for text in the quotes section and drag it across, and your post is good to go. When you click on the Background tab, you have colors, palettes, images, and settings. Okay, and now let's add a background to the page and put a picture first. You get the option to resize the background using the sliders in the Setting tab. You can move the image up or down, or to the left or right according to your liking. You can overlay the picture with the range of dominating colors that are available in it. Carvly will detect these colors and it shows them on the left tab. You can also adjust the transparency to your liking, creating awesome effects. So now that your background is ready, adjust the font, its size, letter spacing, and almost all attributes of the font as you desire. Okay, so far so good. Now we're going to put a shape on the top to manage the transparency to give the document a great look. Carvly provides you with a huge inventory of quotes, so in case you want to add one, there's a lot to choose from. I'm going to drag one across just for this demonstration so you can see how it works. And there you have it. Our document is ready. We can also add pages in order to continue, or we can just have a preview before we share it. The other great thing about Carvly is that you can now download what you've created. The formats available are PDF, PNG, and JPEG. Okay, we're finally ready to share. Click on the Share button. A screen will splash open and this shows you the separate social accounts that are linked. Choose the pages you want to share across all networks and post the document. Once you've done that, at the bottom of the screen will be a Share Schedule button. You click on that and a new screen pops open. In the text box, you enter your text relevant to the document, and below that you put in the URL where you want to direct traffic when somebody clicks on it. On the right-hand side, you have a scheduler. All you have to do is click on the calendar, choose the date and the time that you want your post to go out, and hit publish. Alright, so far we've managed to create a piece and shared it on our social networks. What you can also do is generate direct leads by publishing your document and creating a landing page at the same time. How awesome is Carvly? So when you hit publish, another screen pops up. On that, you have a choice between sharing your document or capturing leads. For the purposes of this demo, we're going to show you how to capture leads. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Capture Leads. The next screen is where I can choose the information that I want to get from the user. It can be his name, email, or mobile number. I'm going to go ahead and click on the autoresponder, and we're going to go with MailChimp. We then click Next. I then get to choose a landing page that I like from a range of templates. I'm going to go with the Clear Sky template. I'm going to hit Next, and boom, the landing page is ready. So on the right-hand side of the page is where your document is going to be visible. The user can download from this side of the page only after he's filled in all the details that you asked for. This page is fully responsive, so all the leads that come in from this page will be directed to the Leads tab on the main dashboard. They will also show up in Analytics as a heat map. Isn't that amazing? Adding this heat map is one of the best features of Carvly because it gives you a total overview on what's going on. Okay, now if all of that seemed like a lot of work to you, we have another solution. And this guy is my favorite. Carvbot, as I mentioned earlier, is pretty straightforward. Carvbot just does everything for you. So you type in the bot name, go down to the next line and type in the keywords. Here you can choose between love, inspirational, life, humor, etc. Choose your watermark logo. Decide what's going to go on the text. Choose the transparency that you want it to have. Decide where you want it to go on the image. You can choose from the left, the right, the bottom, there's a grid. Click on the section that works for you. Put in the title. Type in the URL where you want everyone to go. Then come down to the section where you can make a schedule. Choose your day, select your time, and boom, you're good to go. This takes us to the next screen, that is a template selector. Choose the ones that you want. There's going to be a whole lot to choose from, but you need to choose at least 5. Once you've done that, hit Next. Another screen pops up where you choose your social media platforms. You can share between Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Instagram, and Google+, all at the same time. And it's as simple as that to be able to make all your posts for up to 1 month in one go. One of the most powerful features of Carvly is its video content generator. We've discussed before how video is the most important thing you post on social media. Here's how Carvly can make great videos for you. So you navigate back to the main dashboard and click on Video. This takes you to the Video Builder. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the video gallery. Imagine you have over 1 million+ royalty-free HD videos to choose from. Carvly is just the gift that keeps on giving. Drag a video you like down to the video timeline. Once you've placed it there, go back up and select an image. Choose from one of the million images available and pull it down. After having done that, go back up, and you can drag some text to layer it over your video. Shift to the next tab, which gives you all the effects that you need. The very last button on the right is the My Files button. From there, you can import existing videos, images, and audio to add to your video. Design your video across the timeline, and once you're done, hit Save. You can share and publish in exactly the same way that we did for images or documents before. So once you get your hands on Carvly, there's nothing stopping you from generating good quality videos that get you the most leads. Alright guys, so looking back, we've managed to show you how to make images, documents, and videos in Carvly. How to get them across all your social networks and put them out there. How to publish, how to schedule. We've taken you through CarvBot and all its automated magic. Now we're going to bring you back to the main dashboard and talk to you about the timeline. The timeline gives you a chronological overview of all your posts, what you posted, when you posted, and where you put it. In the timeline, you'll find 3 tabs: Published, Scheduled, and Errors. Try not to have any errors. So as you navigate over to the left, you can click on Leads. Leads will show you all your leads either as a total overview, or you can sort via campaign. Click on the tab and choose between all leads and the campaign list. So when you click on Campaign List, it sorts out all your campaigns via ebook, Facebook covers, Instagram posts, presentations. It gives you an idea of all the total views, the total downloads, and whether you've published or not. It's a great place to keep an eye on the entire campaign. Down here on the Team button is where you can add or delete team members and manage the team that's working on various projects. This is where you add your sub-users and you can monitor their performance. So below the Team tab, you have your URL Cloak tab. Once you click on that, it gives you 2 choices, either URL cloaking or the URL list. When you click on URL cloaking, you can actually go in there and hide whatever URL you want from social media trackers. This gives you anonymity while posting on social media sites. And then you come down on the left to the Settings tab. This gives you the option to adjust all the settings for social accounts, profile settings, and your autoresponders. Okay guys, thank you for listening to me for so long, and that's all we have to say about Carvly right now. We hope you enjoy it. We really believe that we're onto something that will sort out and create complete solutions for all your digital marketing needs. I hope you appreciate all our efforts, and we tried to keep it all really straightforward for you. The magic lies in the fact that all of this happens on the same platform, making your work seamless with minimal effort. This is where we feel technology makes it easy. We keep it simple, easy to navigate, and easy to use for the user. We at Team Carvly got together and tried to create the most efficient solution for digital marketing. We're really looking forward to your feedback and hope to continue innovating to bring to you solutions that fix all your problems. Thank you so much for your time and for going through this video with us.